Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be discussing about ChatGPT and how we can develop a Flask application with the help of ChatGPT. So this is a new video in my new series that I have started on ChatGPT where we will be doing different fun activities and different basically we'll be exploring the different things that we can do with the help of ChatGPT. We'll be writing SQL codes, we'll be developing web applications, we will be modifying cells in Excel, and we will be doing a lot more using ChatGPT in this series. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And without any more further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in this video, we will be developing a Flask application, right? So let's say first say hi, and I want to develop a Flask application to take a survey. Let's see what it gives us. Flask is a popular Python web framework that is well suited for building small to medium sized web applications. To develop a survey application using Flask, you will need to do the following. Okay, so create a new Flask project and set up the necessary file structure. Design the survey forms using HTML and CSS. Create the routes in your Flask application to handle the requests for the pages, for the survey pages. Write Python code to handle the form submissions and store the survey responses in a database. Create views to display the survey results. You may also want to use a database such as MySQL or MongoDB to store the survey data, and a library like WT Forms to handle the forms. Additionally, you may want to use a front-end framework such as Bootstrap or Foundation to improve the design of your forms. It's a good idea to have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and Python and web development concepts before starting with your project. Let me know if you have any specific question. I'll be happy to help you. I want the code for this from scratch. Can you help me with that? So basically forming the question in the right way is most important here. So I think it is still generating some answer. Let's see. Okay, so here's a basic example of a survey application built using Flask. This example assumes you have Flask and WT forms installed and you have a basic understanding of HTML and Python. Okay, so let us first check if we have if we have Flask and WT forms installed. Okay, and pip install WT forms. Okay, so let's first copy this. Create a template called index.innertemplates folder in your project directory with the following content. Okay, so let us first open up our VS Code. Let's open a new folder. Okay, let's first create a new folder here. Flask app. Let's get in, and here let's open up the Flask app folder. Open. Let's create a Let's create a new file here and let's give it the name app.py and let's paste this code here. Right, we saved it. Now let's create a new folder called templates, and inside this templates, let's create a new file and let us see what the HTML code is. We'll copy this HTML code and let us save it in that folder. In this folder, let us name this new file as index.html and let's paste this in here and let's save it. Okay. Now let us try and run this app.py in our terminal. Run python app.py. Okay, it ran now. And let us copy this URL and paste it here. It's basically our local host. And as you can see, our form is created. Let me enter my name. Thank you for taking a survey. So this is a very basic survey application that has been created. So in just a few moments in a couple of minutes, ChatGPT has given us the code to build an entire Flask application. And we have basically developed this form which can take our survey, and we may still have to connect it to a database, so that we may probably look into later. So that's all I had for this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will look at something more interesting, and we will also try connecting our database to our Flask application. So thanks again for watching and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.